I just had to come and feel it for myself. So I change off and look at that panoramic view. This is the money shot. If you're courting and still not comfortable being together, right, you can do that.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
Welcome to another episode of Kareem's Quest. Today I'm going to this small Jamaican owned resort, and ever since I did Sea Breeze, a lot of persons been asking me to do more Jamaican owned places because they want to, you know, support locals more. So I'm in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, and this place is quite close to Puerto Seco beach, but it's kind of hidden. If you don't know it, you might just miss it because it doesn't have that exterior that, you know, going to stand out and make you know that, hey, there's a resort here. But it's a nice quiet property. I'm going to explore it and, you know, look at the rooms and show you guys every little thing that is there, all the amenities and so forth like that. What I've noticed with it is that they keep that property very clean as well. And so it's a stone throw also from Discovery Bay. So, you know, around us is, okay, here we are. It has a nice little sign and turquoise themed type color. Alright, so here we are entering it. Layout is nice, they paved the road. That's very good as well. And I always love supporting Jamaican businesses too, because, you know, when you can see somebody who stays here and build Jamaica and employ Jamaicans, it's always something very commendable. So come we go and see what's happening. Alright, let me enter the reception area. So if you notice, they have the security right here, they have the sanitization rules, and they have the, tell you that they take MasterCards. Alright, reception area. The two staff members, Alright, so what's your name?
Rick.
Alright, so Rick, I'm supposed to be looking at some rooms. I guess the receptionist is gone to them, right?
Man, she already left the
What's the first room that I'm going to?
It's going to be 4. It's right in the walkway right here.
Right here, sir. Alright. So who am I looking at here, sir?
Jada.
Jada? Like Jada Kingdom? Alright, let's go. Alright, so we can go to one of the rooms then quickly.
Kareem's Quest.
Jada, how long has this property been here?
Well, you can say there's ancient times.
Yeah.
Like in 2019, first, so added modern structures and so on.
2019.
Yeah. So it was once and name which was the luxury.
Alright, let's get going. Jada, talk about it. Okay, so one of the things that I always like when I come to a hotel that's not all inclusive is the fact that I want it to have like a kitchenette. So we have our microwave right here, so we have the coffee maker machine right there. So I'm gonna give some people some starter coffee.
Yeah.
Alright, good. Let me see what else is there. Okay, you have your storage area right here. And I must give some credit to, because the craftsmanship, the finish looks nice, persons. That's something that people pay attention to, utensils. Oh, and something I must tell persons to do is that when you're coming to a place that has a kitchenette, make sure you bring your oil, make sure you bring your salt, make sure you bring your sugar. That's something that I pay attention to. And you have your utensils. Okay, good. So then basically them start you off with something very nice. Your fridge, your little ice tray. And let me see, no. And okay, alright, good. So them have a little fridge here, so them have a little dining room area right there. So them set you up nice. Come up and see what the bedroom is like. And everything is turquoise themed here. It's white and turquoise. But I suspect they must paint a lot, because once you have a white hotel, you must have to paint a lot. To find all the Kareem's Quest content in one place, visit the website kareemsquest.com. You'll see colorful adventure stories, a lot of pictures of Jamaica's beautiful landscape, and articles that highlight the many unique things about Jamaica. It's all at kareemsquest.com. Good. From the get-go, one of the things that I like about being at a hotel like this is look at the view. So this is what you're going to wake up to every morning, and over there is Puerto Seco, and I suspect that that is the Wibbit Challenge course. So you do have activities that you can do when you are here. From the jump, I like a hotel like this for more mature couples. You have to know, you have to love your own company type thing, and you kind of want to be low key. So I see it that way. Again, here is the turquoise theme right here, and this design let me know that this is a woman's touch. It's clearly a woman's touch. Like, I wouldn't think of adding like a plants here, so adding these type of chrome fixtures, but it does give it a nice perspective. All right, so now let's go into the bathroom. And for the bathroom, these seem to be the themed mirrors right here. And you have your lovely faucet area right there. You have a walk-in shower. And you have these type of showers that they call like rainforest or something like that. And it basically, the shower head basically mirrors rain falling on you. And that's always a nice touch. The bathroom is very simple. It's a modern theme design that they're going with, so there's nothing too over the top with the designs. Everything is very kind of minimalistic and in keeping with the current design theme. Even the light fixture up there, you can see those 3 lights, like everything is in keeping with the theme of it. So we have a nice simple wardrobe as well. And let me go outside now. So they give you this nice balcony area with glass reinforcement right there, and you're looking straight onto the Caribbean Sea, and that's a nice picturesque view, especially when you wake up early in the morning. And if you can look to your neighbors, you're going to see that they also have balconies right there. And they keep the property very nice. Even when you look at the road is well paved. You're coming out and you're looking at a road that is well paved, and you're looking at the lawn and the palm trees that outline the corridor. That gives it a vibrant look as well. So I would say, who would be here? I think that if you have like a family of 4 and the parents stay over one side and then the kids stay over the other side, I would more look at things like that. Then put the nice decorative thing right there. And this is 2 king size bedrooms. So this bedroom is basically the same as the other one. However, I must add to this that given the climate that we're in right now, we need AC, and the room does have AC, so we need that. Good. So they added AC, which is very good, and they have a ceiling fan too. So you get an AC and you get a ceiling fan. That is something that we need in this type of climate. And they make sure so they decorate the bed really nice, and give you beach towels. Now the beach, they have a private beach over the other side. I am going to walk, I'm going to show you, right? And they have them TV. I think their TV has Netflix, so it's like internet-driven TV. So you kind of bring your password, your Amazon, your whatever you want to be. This is your little eating area right here. So this is one of the rooms. And what the room you call?
Room 4.
What do you call it though?
This 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom. All right. So this is not the standard room. All right. So we're going to go to another room now.
Kareems Quest.
Alright, so which room you want to show now, Mr. Simpson?
I bring you to Unit 3.
Alright, so we'll go Unit 3.
We are down the bottom there.
Okay, alright, so And one of the things I love the Zaza grass. However, I know it's because of the rain and the heat. How you manage that?
Well, we have to water a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Water.
Okay, nice. I love how it look. Because even for a little morning stroll, these things are nice to look at.
Yes.
And for those of you who are coming from abroad, oh people, listen, you can see a thorough review of this villa on my website, kareemsquest.com. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kareem's Quest. Now, true Jamaicans know so when a breadfruit time, I'm asking something. We can get breadfruit for breadfruit time?
Sure, no problem.
See him saying that? When a breadfruit time, people must see some breadfruit. Them not ready for roast it, them can boil. We can get no breadfruit them.
Yeah.
Alright, so unit 3 is what we call unit 3?
It's a 1 bedroom.
Alright, so would this be like a standard unit now?
Yes.
So this is your lowest cost unit then, right?
Yeah.
Jada, we have Jada Kingdom sister.
Right, so this is one of our king suites.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like this temporary.
So this is not the entry level unit then?
Wow.
Modernized structure. It does have a sink unlike the other rooms.
Oh, so,
Modernized bathroom.
oh nice.
So this is our upgrade.
So upgrade. Okay, so alright, so let me just break down this one. Again, you have your microwave, you have your mini fridge. Something that I must point out is that they're about like 10 minutes walk from the square, right? Which is like a 3-minute drive, where they have like a market, they have a wholesale place, they have different little places where you can buy your goods. So you buy your goods there. When you come here, they also have the option where they have a menu list that they put in each of the rooms, and I noticed that they can cook food. Is breakfast complimentary or you purchase breakfast?
Alright, so once you make a direct booking, your reservation is automatically breakfast inclusive. However, if you still need breakfast and it's not a direct booking, the menus are available to you in the room.
Alright, persons, I'm going to get a promo code from them so you can get some form of discount. So go to my website and that can take it to their direct website, and I'm going to give you a promo code, alright? Alright, again, they're putting their plates then. They get a little bowl as well. So 2 bowls, some plates. Okay, nice finish to this right here. Let me see. I guess I got to go request your fault then with this one, right? So, alright, so we'll go see. Okay. Ah, okay, alright then, good. There it is.
So we prepare for 2 persons.
So this one is really prepared for 2 persons. Alright, so let me walk you through it. And they have a nice living room here. Have an easy little couch right here, so have seating for 2 tables. So I would suspect that if you are a couple and you are like adventurers and you want a nice place to stay, this would be a good option. I would use this option. I like this piece right here that they use on the wall. Okay, so they utilize the space very well. This is a small, compact bathroom, but it has everything. It's a walk-in shower. We have a regular shower head for this one. Let's see the regular shower head for this one. Alright, and then it seems that this is like one of the themes of this hotel to use this mirror right here, because this was the same style mirror that we saw in the other room. And they have a really big face basin. This face basin is actually bigger than the other one that was over the other side. I like that. Alright, come in, let's see some more. And let's now go to the bedroom. So unlike the other one that had 2 bedrooms, this is 1 bedroom. This bed feels bigger. Right.
King bed.
This bed feels bigger, and something that a lot of women will appreciate. Yeah, you can just open up that for me so we get some light. Something that a lot of women will appreciate is a full mirror. Now, a lot of times you will go to places, and I know women are very peculiar with this. They want full mirrors, right? They want to see full body, all right? What about if I want, like, if I want an iron, can I request one?
Yes.
Alright, because I have to ask some stuff then, because
Yeah.
you all going to ask me all of these things in the comment section. So yes, I don't see an iron in here, but you can request one.
And an iron board.
And an iron board, well of course, yeah. Again, AC unit, TV unit. AC unit, TV unit. Let me just show you what it is like. So once you wake up out of your bed, this is what you're seeing right here. So this is what you're seeing, and this is where you're walking out to. And you're walking out to basically the ground floor. So this is the ground floor. Lovely place to just walk out to and see the scenery. And it feels very low key here, right? It feels like it's like a hidden secret if you ask me, because nobody really, it don't ever feel congested. Even when persons are here, it's either them gone out a lot in terms of like going out on journeys or so, or them just stay in the room. But I don't see a lot of persons on the premises. So that type of seclusion is something that many persons will like. Alright, let's go. To watch the latest videos and see extra behind the scenes content, go to YouTube and subscribe to Kareem's Quest. And while you're there, don't forget to comment, share and click the bell icon so you can know when all the new episodes are out. Back in, and we head right back. Let me just close this. Always check the room door, then when you close them, people, please. Alright, so we'll lock back this and we'll head right back out. Alright, close this. Oh, we're going upstairs?
Yeah, upstairs.
Alright, so let me carry you upstairs now.
And this is
Two bed in one room. Two beds in one room. Okay, so 2 double bed. Alright, 2 double bed. Let me see what a 2 double bed is. Okay, so this one is 2 double bed, and if you're courting and still not comfortable being together, right, you can do that. Or if you're on like, I would use this also for like business, sometimes with business trips. You know what I mean? You might have 2 of the same gender, and you know what I mean, you have one room but 2 separate beds, which make a lot of sense. Again, they always have the microwave and they have the fridge. Alright, I spot the utensils fast this time. See it, yes, see? Getting better and better. So this is a nice area right here, because you can sit down and you can nibble on your breakfast and you can look outside, and they added this little stool area right here, and while you're writing your emails or catching up on your news or stuff like that, you can look out and see the picturesque view. And this is really the coastline of Jamaica that you're looking at. And history have it that a lot of persons, this was where they came first in terms of many of our ancestors that came here so first, right? So it's runaway, then discover. And you see how beautiful the sea is. When you come to Jamaica, one of the most captivating things is to look at the beautiful seawater. And I think probably the property managers and owners use that to inspire the design of this place, because they use a lot of the blue that reflects the sea, like right there and there, the turquoise and the dark blue. And you get that nautical type vibe when you're here. Couple things that I recognize with them, they always have a ceiling fan, and the bathroom mirrors seem to always be the same design. So let us go. So let me carry you to the main area now, where you can see the pool, because I haven't showed you the pool. Alright, we're going to make a fast move. This is the pool area right here. You stay and you relax a little bit. It's 3 feet. This section right here says 3 feet. And I just saw the resident cat right there in front of the camera. Say run gone. And let me show you one of the villa. So this is a 3-story villa. 3 bedroom. Let me see what go on. Do you recognize any of these items? Well, test your Jamaica knowledge at kareemsquest.com. So for this villa, they have a living room over there, they have a bedroom over here, and people, because I wanted to show them the villa so badly. Somebody's occupying this villa, then just give a quick, we have to do a quick run through, alright? Alright, so come, let's do it. Single bedroom, big bedroom, downstairs. If you bring like your grandma and she can't climb the stairs then, this is a villa that I would recommend, right? You have a bathroom here right there. Again, I can't go too much into these areas because somebody using it. And you have a nice closet area right here, so. Good? Alright, then I work on walk through. So this is like a big family. A big family is here, so this is what it needs to be. Alright, so one bedroom is right here, so you can take a quick glimpse. This is one bedroom, quick glimpse. We can show the people them personal business, quick glimpse. So that's one bedroom with 2 beds. This is another bedroom. Quick. Alright, we can't do this person already. And listen, let me just thank this guest for helping us to do this, alright? Not everybody is this friendly. So this is a eating area now where if the family wants to come and dine, alright, this is the money area. So if the family wants to come and dine and have them little get together, this is the area right here. And look at that panoramic view. This is the money shot. Even I don't get a shot of this. Right now, I'm going to get a shot of this. This is the panoramic view. Wow. Wow. And now you get this nice view of even Puerto Beach, where you get to see even persons who are on the beach right now. You get to see the obstacle course, you get to see the fishermen on their boats. Right there, and it's just, you know, you also get to see how the economy of the community works, because this is a fishing place as well that you can get, you know, your doctor fish and your snapper, and you see even the police, coast guard, you see their boat out there. So a lot of things are happening, and you're getting this lovely panoramic view. Clearly, the owners, I mean, when something is locally owned, you have to also be mindful that, you know, they are going to be still building and still refurbishing, because I see refurbishing taking place, I see buildings taking place, but when you are locally owned, you have to take a little time and build little by little. So I do give them a lot of credit in terms of making the place as friendly as it is and as clean as it is, and majority of the rooms are ready to be occupied. However, still like 1 or 2 villas that they are still working on and they are still refurbishing on. But we keep that in mind, you know, it's not like the bigger international companies that have a ton load of credit and can do everything one time. But these owners really take pride in how they develop this place and, you know, how they set it up right here. This is your little bar area with your little sink. And so if you're having that birthday party or that gathering, up here is the place to have it. Okay, oh, cool, they actually have an upstairs bathroom as well. So when you're up here, you don't have to go back. You don't have to go back downstairs. You can just stay up here. Let me just turn on these things. I don't actually waste time. This probably is a light restaurant. Alright, so let us go. They have a beach area, which I told them I'm going to take you to. Let me take you to the beach area. And while I'm talking about that, again, I just encourage persons, if you haven't subscribed to Kareems Quest, please subscribe. So I'm doing a walkthrough, but I have other episodes that I do where I review places, I interview the owners, I do more in-depth things for you guys. Oh, look. I use glass so well here. You know what I mean? It adds a level of openness to the place, and it makes it even more spacious than what it is. And this is 3 stories, so this is definitely the high-end ones. One time, the occupants are allowing us to share that with you. So let us go, and now them have some other rooms, but these rooms are occupied over here, so I can't get to carry in any of these rooms. But I would presume that these rooms are more like your standard rooms that you start at. And the overall design and theme is the same way. I have some pictures. I have some more pictures that I actually took on my website, kareemsquest.com. You can look for Lux Beach Resort and you'll see it there. Alright, so let us go. We'll go back down to the beach area now. Maintenance work. All right, Chief. So this is where I think they have a gas pump that's running in the background. This is also where you're going to need assistance. So we take the pedestrian gate, and the private beach is on the other property. And also persons, please remember, support Kareem's quest, alright? Support, join the quest, support the quest. Okay, so they have this big gate. No, they always insist that somebody assists you on this journey because it's a narrow little strip and you don't want to be walking here by yourself, especially if you don't know the area. So, come in, let's go, we're crossing. Really doing. So it's a nice little walk. You have your church over the right hand side. And it's a little bit, it's also immersive. Some persons want to kind of feel what the natural feeling of the country is like. And so, not everybody likes to be locked up, but I always encourage persons, do as much research on the place that you're going to as possible. You want to make sure that whenever you're visiting somewhere, because sometimes I see people get places and they say they're disappointed, but sometimes I recognize that they didn't do a lot of research. So you have to always do your research to know if that place fits you and fit the mood that you're trying to capture. Alright, now we're at the private beach. Oh wow, I can smell that seawater. As I enter it, I get a strong whiff of the seawater. Okay, so this is the beach area right over here. They have the bathroom right here. Sorry. Oh, yeah man, no problem. And they have the shower that you wash off the salt water with. Now, I give credit to anybody who lives beside the sea because the salt water is so strong. So they have multiple toilets. do keep the area very clean, which I noticed. Look at that beautiful seawater.
Probably, yeah. I might have looked at I told you what to.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful seawater, and it's kind of like a cave to people, so it doesn't matter how strong the current is, because it's concave, it usually going to cut that current speed. So even when I'm going to places, I prefer to go to places like a cove, I should say, sorry, not a cave, a cove. I prefer to go to a lot of coves because they're kind of concave, and then they cut down the heavy heavy waves that might be coming in, and that's something that I always want to look at. If you're watching this video up to this point, chances are you like Jamaica or Jamaica culture. Here are some free ways you can support this page. Like the video, subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know how you feel. When I saw how beautiful the water is, I just had to come and feel it for myself. So I change off, and take a bit now and see. Oh, go on. I think the water is shallow, so you can see based on just in the lightness as the water gets darker, you know that it's deeper. Yeah, this is lovely. And the temperature, people. So the sun is very hot, but the temperature in the water is very cool. It doesn't feel cold. I actually prefer how seawater feels than how river water. River water is usually cold because normally a lot of waterfalls are up in the hill, but seawater it's very nice. It's easy for your body to acclimate to, and the salt is very good. So I'm going to be resting in the salt for a little while just to heal up the bones and heal up different aspects of the body. All right. As usual, people, again, I'm going to tell them, please subscribe, please follow Kareems Quest, also my website, kareemsquest.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. Take care.